Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have this Crompton Greaves high-speed ceiling fan. This is a 2007 fan, old stock fan, as you can see. So very rare to find this. As you can see, the blade box, very nice, lovely design. This is a 48 inches brown fan. This is the main box, as you can see. So the MRP is 1370. I bought this for really cheap since it's an old stock, dead cheap I should say. So now let me get everything out and show you guys. So as you guys can see, this is the fan, original capacitor. Very nice, lovely condition. These are your canopies. This is the upper canopy. This is our bottom canopy. This is the down rod. These are the blades. All the packing has been removed. I'll just show you the shackle. So this is the shackle and the motor bolt is inside. This is the warranty card of the fan. As you can see, very nice. So now let me install the fan and show you guys the performance. So guys, as you can see, the fan is finally installed. So yeah, that is how it looks. Neat and clean, lovely box logo on the canopy. Now let's switch on the fan in full speed. Lovely performance, lovely airflow. Now let's switch it off. So guys, that's it for this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video coming really soon.